Hi, Mr. V is here. Today we are going to talk about how to download Enscape. First, go to the Enscape 3D website and go to pricing to buy it or get my free trial. You will try Enscape for 14 days. Put your business's email and first name and last name and the job position if you were architect, and then put your number and choose your host app CAD. I'm using Revit, and you will get an email to download the plugin. After installing the plugin, go to your 3D program and open the sample architecture project. Then go to Enscape plugin that you will find it here and start it.